My opa could walk into a room, sit down with anyone, and somehow have a conversation about whatever they were talking about. He didn't know everything, he just knew a little bit about a hell of a lot of things. And I've always found that far more interesting. That's probably why I do everything myself at least once. I'll change brakes, weld a patio set, build a ring beam, plaster a wall, plant a tree. I want to know how it works. And while I'm doing it, I'm figuring out the real cost. How long does it take? Where's the skill? Where's the risk in it? And where's the money? Even if Google tells me a tree needs clay soil, I'll put one in a rocky mountain soil and see what actually happens. I don't want to know because I read it on Google. I want to know because I've tested it and I know myself it's true or not. And here's the funny thing, the more you learn, the more useful you become. You become a kind of guy you could take to war. You know when that guy's on your side, you'll have no problem surviving. Just like that.